Hey guys, you're probably wondering how to get the blue Venom skin in Marvel Rivals. Well, the blue Venom skin, which is officially known as the Cyan Clash skin, okay, it was made available during the closed beta, right? So unfortunately, this skin is not available anymore, okay? But if you had gotten this, uh, you know, Cyan Clash skin, what you needed to do is you must have participated in the closed beta, and then after you invited to play the closed beta, the players were actually required to complete the Galacta Quest Pass, and the players had to reach level 30, meaning they had to basically complete all the objectives and missions. So the players who reached level 30 and earned the blue Venom skin, they got to keep this permanently, okay? And the skin is basically available to them in the full release of Marvel Rivals. So I hope this guide provided some value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.